Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. So this is part of the Amazon journal that I've been working on. Thinking what we did last time. Last time we finished the middle section off. Off camera I just added this crocheted lace. I added this sticker and this, oh dear, you know, pronunciation, yeah, description. Anyway, they're from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah, and I put this double butterfly on. I think I put that extra little bit of washi tape there. And I put that word, well, saying across there. And that's all I did with that one. And then the other one, I just stuck the lace on. So this is how they're gonna go in, like so. So I think that'll be fine. But yeah, like I'm saying, I'm only thinking of putting 10 sheets in each one because this one's got quite a few in, and so has this one. So yeah, that's it so far. It's still fitting in. I am hoping that by the time the papers are in that we can still keep this notebook in. Otherwise I might have to put a pocket on the back, and they might have to go in the back, and then I shall make some big tags to go there. But if you remember, I've still got those big Edith Holden ones, which are blue, and I think they've got like blue wild flowers on. So that's the first insert, and then that says flippy floppy bit, and then this is the last one. So today we're going to get on with that. Just put that to one side. So I think I've got everything out that I need. I did end up marking that paper when I wiped it, if you watched it last time, which is unfortunate, but hopefully we'll be able to get it covered over. I don't know if it will just ink over or not. So I think I'm going to put that pocket there so the stitching matches up. I'm going to use the Fabri-Tac. So I'll pop these in first. So I've got an A3 paper pad. So I was thinking of cutting some of that down for this. And I've also got some dictionary pages, what are tall. Did I just say music paper? Music paper, dictionary paper, and this A3 paper. And then I might just have some smaller, you know, some staggered things. Because obviously these are quite tall. So I think if I did one again, I don't know if I'd keep it this tall or if I would cut it down to, you know, our A4 kind of size. I'm not too sure. I suppose once I've put the papers in, I'll kind of be able to think. But I have enjoyed the extra height, especially with the decoration of the inside cover and then the middle section. It's given a lot more to play with. So I suppose there's pros and cons to everything. So I think that's lined up there. Ooh, sorry, got my fingers right in the camera then. Just wanted to make sure that it was all flush. That's, yeah. So that should be fine. So I made 2 clusters the other week in like some bonus episodes that I did last week. So I'm guessing I'm going to pop that there. So might as well just pop that straight down. So yeah, I made some clusters, some snippets, some lace like clusters, and then we did a collage masterboard, and then made some collage bird tags. I think bird journal cards. I think I did them all birds. I don't think I put any florals on because they was kind of that size, and I find that size perfect for birds. So that's that, and then I'm gonna have that a bit higher there. I don't think I might not need anything else in the back, because obviously when I did the first one I didn't have these, so I just put like a label and a botanical. So that can go there. I know what I want to do. I'm just going to trim that down, and then I'm just going to go around with my dauber and tone some of this, you know, the back of the sewing. Let me reach for my board. So I'll just pop that under. Let's put the pen in there. Let's straighten up. I must start laying this flat. I've been laying it, standing it up, so it kind of slots in at the side of my desk. But yeah, you can see it's starting. It does say like to lay it flat, but yeah, it's having somewhere to just lay it. Let me just cut my little snip, see if I can just... Okay, just do this this bit in the middle bottom. Right, quite happy with that. I'm just going to get a little bit of glue and put this a little bit down, like so. I think everything else is okay. I think that's that. Put my pen on, just have a drink of tea. So they're going to go there. They want inking round. That's a nice cup of tea. I've just had a new dinner service, all in that grey, same as me cup, because I've got like two parts of dinner services. I've got like a white part with, you know, all for setting, and a floral part. So yeah, I've got emptied the cupboards out and bought a grey set from where I work. Right, so that's going to go there. I feel like we should pick some ribbon. Let's have a look. Oh, that might be nice. A pop of navy, actually. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So let's snip that. Okay. And this was in the ribbon set to the Nature's Gallery paper pad that I've got. Managed to get one of the ribbon sets. You don't get a lot on them, but yeah, there was some really nice ones Right, so that'll go there and that'll go there. Let me just try and straighten this up. These aren't the best scissors. Okay. And there's I think that's a little bit better. So I'm just going to push that up high, and I'm going to try and get some right on the edge, and then right on that edge. I don't want to put a lot on because I obviously don't want it coming through. Yep. And I've not got a wide part. You just stand up a little bit. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's get that dried glue off with my eraser finger. I do have a glue eraser, but I think a lot of the time, especially with the Fabric, you can get it off with your finger. Right, so that's that one, and that's going to go there. That's beautiful. And then we'll do this one. Obviously I'm going to have to measure it up against the one at the side of it. So. Yep. I think that might be plenty. Okay. Stand up again. It's a little bit wobbly there, but it's fine. Let me just get this a little bit. I've got a bit of glue on this side. I don't think it's going to come off. I'll leave it till it's dry and then give it a good rub. Right, I'm going to pop these on, no matter which side they go on. So this is from a digital from Tracy Fox. It's like a watercolour set. It's only, I think it's only got 3 pages. There's like a page of blue. I think there's a page of yellow and a page of red. And they're just botanical like paintings. And I've shrunk these down to like 2 to a page, I think, or I don't know if I did it 4 to a page, probably 4 actually, because that's normal size. So yeah, maybe 4 to a page. I think I could do it going over. Okay, so that's that one. I'll pop this one on, and I'm gonna have to get my oh no, I don't need my collage folder. I've got some of the kit pages from Nottingham. So I've used 3 different kits from Nottingham at college type, and I've mixed them together. So I can't really say what's from what, but I have put the links in the description. And there's plenty of photos on on her web page, you know, on her shop, so I'm sure you'll be able to work it out. Right, so put the lid on there. Not going to need that anymore, so I'm just going to move this out of the way for now, while we do the tags. So again, these are a Tracy Fox tags. I don't know if they're from Stackables, or I'm not sure which kit it is. It's not the one that she did half and half with Artie Mays, I don't think. I think it's one that she did after. So that's fine, I think. Now on the other tags, if you remember, I layered it up with a tag from Kelly's Craft, which I don't have any more of those printed out, so I'm not going to layer those up, so these will probably want back in. They're only on 200 GSM, and I don't think that's enough, for, especially for a tag of this size. So yeah, I might have to back these. Right, I'm just going to give those an ink round. Just get rid of that whiteness. I'm still using gathered twigs. Okay, that's that, and then we'll go around there. Absolutely love the blues. I wish she'd have come back and done like a purple, pink, and I don't know, orange set, but I'm guessing she couldn't find the images for that, because yeah, very, very nice, lovely effect. Right, so that's those done. Let's just grab the papers. Let's have a look at what we've got. So obviously that's the background. I'm not thinking the stripes. These are, oh, I'm going to say I thought these had all got images on. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Oh, I like that one. And that one. Right, might as well use these pieces up and then just take a bit of that. Okay. So put those 2 tags there. see what we've got already ripped up. Get my tear ruler. So I think I'm just going to do like an edge round. I don't think it'll take much because obviously the tags aren't that wide. So I like that. I want something coming down or another label putting on to cover the red. Just need a little bit more. Yeah, quite like that. Maybe just have that coming out to the side. And then I'm thinking if I do the same on this side, just to bring that bit over. I think I'm just going to find a blue label because I quite like that. It's got its blue label there. I don't know if it needs anything else. No, I don't think it does. So yeah, well, that was quickest collage ever. Oh yes, I'm going to collage. No, not what I'm going to do is put two pieces together. But yeah, I don't feel like it needs any more. I really like these tags. They've got obviously lots going off in the background, so I'm quite happy to have all that on show. I'm just going to go just above that label. I think I want to use the Kalau, and just because they're a bit bigger pieces. It's a lot quicker than the art glitter. So just put that above that. I don't know if I might just put a little bit of tea bag underneath that. Just going to take that to the sewing. Let me just reach up and get some tissue or tea bag. See what I've got. Put that in my clothes. The filters, want to keep them because I've never done anything with coffee filters, and I've just got a couple there, so I keep thinking I'm not using them. It's a nice tea bag. Is that open or? No, I don't think so. Right, let's just ripping the perforated sides off. There is two. I'm going to leave that bit joined on. So, just going to take a little bit off the top. Let's have a look what that looks like. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on top of the tissue. Tea bag. Yep. Gluey. And then I'm gonna just go under. Get that rub to get that a little bit of glue off. Then I'm just gonna go in with the art glitter and just dab a bit of this down. And I best stick the bottom bit down because obviously that's going to be going in the pocket, and I'm going to get from part way down just so it's not knocking against the pocket. Right, I think that'll be okay. Just going to put that to the side now. I don't know if I'm going to put another label on or something. So let's oh, that's another coffee filter. See, I've ripped into that by mistake. So let's clip those together. In fact, I'm going to give them their own clip. That's that. I wonder if I've got another one of those wider ones. Oh, that's going with my serviettes. Not serviettes. That can go over there. Got lots of tea, you know, bits of tea all over my desk. Right, that's tissue. So while I've got them out, I'm going to clip those together because it'd just make it a lot easier when I go in the bag. If just the tea bags are on the loose and everything else is clipped up. I've been meaning to do that, and what a better time than let's do it in the middle of a video. Right, that's that, and I'm not opening those tea bags until I finish those. Julie was kind enough to send me some more. Right, let's get rid of some of this tea. I don't think this is a double one again. Oh, it is so far. Made a bit of a hash of that. Right, let's get this down first. Not sure if I've got any blue labels or not. I'm going to put that on that side. Okay, let's take, oh no, my fingers are really sticky. Tea bags and sticky fingers aren't a good mix. So if we have that there, like so, I'm gonna, let's just rip that down a little bit. So I'm going to have that down a little bit, like so. So that will go there. So I'm just going to have a little bit, I think around there. And get the rest of it with my art glitter tip after. So we'll pop that on. Like so. Let's put these ones away. Put my vellum back. Right, that's that. I can't remember what I said I was going to do. I know I want to look at labels. Oh, I was going to go in and glue any. That's what I was going to do. That's that, and I think that's it. Right. Okie dokie. Okay, I've just grabbed my labels out. I haven't got any blue ones with writing on. All I've got is some a few plain ones. Yeah, that's a long one as well. But I mean, I could offside it, which that'd look fine. But there's some red there. I mean, not that it really matters. I'm going to say I've got one of those square ones, which is no use in ornament. No. Out of them, I prefer that one. Let's have a look through the definitions. Some brown ones. red ones. Oh, oh, might have a blow. Oh, come here. I think I must use the blue ones first. So we've got Heath. So I'm wondering if I could go like that. I like that. So I'm going to do that. Let's I'm just going to trim this. Okay. Should we use the art glitter? And I'm just going to go just there. That one's already been inked, so that one's going to go just there. Put plenty down this bottom because I don't want that catching on the pocket. Off and then ink that bit. So yeah, I'm happy with that one. It does need backing. Shame that one just fit there, isn't it? I don't think I'll bother. I think that blue one's a little bit too big. Oh, I can see another one. Can I? No, it's a blue one. No, it wasn't a blue one, that's what I meant. It was a black one. Ah. Looks like a... I think that's like a blue black, like a navy. So I'm going to pop that part of it on the bottom. Oh, no. It's a funny top, this is. You have to do it quite a lot to start it off, but yeah, one false, you know, turn and it's absolutely pouring out. I'll say 1 minute it's not coming out and then it's pouring. Right, just snip that off. So I think I'm going to pause while I just get these backed. All I'm going to use is my leftover card that I've been cutting from packaging and things like that. I'm hoping. Oh, excuse me. Oh dear. I don't think they're quite long enough, so I'm going to use two of those, and I'm just going to back them and cut around them. So I'll be back shortly. Right, I've stuck those on the card. I've inked them round and I've gone all around the edges. I'm not going to put a top thing on them because I think it'll look a bit funny with them. I did think about putting another clipboard tab on, but no, I think it'd look a bit peculiar. So that's those in there. So I don't know if I want anything else on the back. Just got the maybe. Yeah, I quite like that. Oh, I like that. And that's a very different colouring to that. I've got something white. Can't see. No, I think they're a little bit too big, but yeah, I really do like that there. Yeah, I think I'm just going to have a quick look through my Botanical pages just to see if I can find anything. I think so. Look at these first. These are from Frampton Court. If you look on my Amazon favourites, I do have a I was going to say a playlist, a list of books, and this other one is called, I don't know if it's Flowers of May. They're by the same person, not the same person drew these, but same person produced the book. Oh, I forget his name. I think it's Richard something. But they're absolutely stunning, and the obviously massive ones, so they're great for in backgrounds and things. See, I'd have to take both though, because unless I cut that off there, it wouldn't be any good. It doesn't have to be blue, it can be white or even all green. That's pretty. Maybe the cornflowers. Quite like that. It's a bit hard to tell until you've actually cut round it. So that's those. I'm gonna have to put them on the floor, otherwise they're just gonna drop on the floor. So I do think that's the right one for there, or it could go there, but I just prefer it in that one, and I prefer like right there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use one of these pieces of paper. I'm just going to ink around this, and I'm going to get this stuck down, because even if none of these pages fit on the other side, I still want this. I would prefer one on each side, but if not, then I still want this one. Okay. It's a lot of flour to get round. Trying to do it quick as well before it dries out. Okay, I think I've got it all. So we're going to pop that there, that there. Yeah, that's super. Okay, so I love that. Right, out of all of them, which one would I prefer? I think, I don't know, I'm feeling, oh, let's go for the cornflower. So, definitely don't want the pink in there. So, I'm going to start by taking the pink out. So, actually, I'm going to take it from there. Okay. Just going to go rough around it just to get a feel for, is it the right picture or not. I think it could be, but I'm going to have to get a lot of this white out. So I'll start off and then I think I'll probably pause. But I'll just go as thin as I can on the outline. And then I'm going to have to get my little tiny scissors and poke into the middle. If it didn't have so much white, I wouldn't do that. I would just ink it. But because it has got so much, then I do feel as if I need to go in and take some out. Whew. Going to be very spidery once it's all out. Oh, it's giving me a headache. It does look right, because this isn't one really what's going to do well sitting in the basket. It'll get ripped up. Right, I'm going to pause it now. And I'm going to go all the way around it, and then if there's anything that I need to get in with my little scissors, then I shall do so. And then I'm going to carefully just ink over it. And I think I'll glue it off camera and get it stuck down, because yeah, it's going to take a long time to get around with the glue as well. So I'll see you in a tick. Okay, it's all cut out, inked and stuck down. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I'm glad I went with that one. It wasn't as bad as what I thought it would be to cut out. It was deceiving. So obviously, you know, you're not going to see them both together anyway. So we'll pop that in. And that in there. So that is our other insert. It's coming along. Right, how's it looking now? Yeah, it's getting quite bulgy. But I still think we've got some more room left to it. So next time when we come back, we'll have a look at papers and see what we're going to do, because I know the A3 that I've got is a white, but I don't know if it's a creamy white. If it's a cream, then I'm not going to bother tea dyeing it. But if it's a stark white, then I'm going to have to get them cut down and get them tea stains. So I will see you next weekend for the next part in this. Might be able to get it finished off. So thanks again for joining me, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.